The Russian Navy suffered another embarrassment in Ukraine and managed to lose another ship in the biggest naval losses in recent Russian history. The Russian Navy now accidentally blown up one of its own ships in the Black Sea in the latest blunder for Putin's forces. A landing craft is reported to have exploded when it hit a Russian sea mine near Mariupol. The crew is said to have survived the friendly fire incident, but the reputation of Russia's naval commanders is not so unscathed. Near Mariupol, a landing craft of the Black Sea Fleet D-106 blew up on a mine, said a Telegram channel related to the Russian Navy. Waiting for a confirmation of this suicidal goodwill gesture, said the Twitter account English Luhansk, mocking Russia's previous withdrawal statements. Another user called it a special underwater operation. More company for the Moskva, down they go, said a third, reminding users of the Russian flagship guided missile cruiser that sank on 14 April after a Ukrainian bombardment. Moskva was the very warship told to go F yourself by heroic soldiers on Snake Island in the early days of the war. The news comes after Russia retreated from Snake Island following heavy bombardment from Ukrainian artillery. Russia said it had withdrawn from the strategically significant Snake Island as a goodwill gesture after heavy bombardment. Zemeny Island Snake in English is a tiny 100-acre spit of land located around 90 miles off the coast of Odessa in the northern waters of the Black Sea. Putin's men were attempted to use the island as a missile base, stationing Pantsir anti-air systems there, along with radar, probably to provide air cover in the event of an amphibious assault on Odessa. Russia suffered an early naval defeat on March 24 with the sinking of the Saratov, a huge 370 feet Russian tank transporter that had been docked in the captured southern port city of Berdyansk. 3 days earlier, the Zvezda TV channel, which is linked to the Ministry of Defense, had filmed the Orsk at anchor in Berdyansk unloading armored vehicles, which the presenter said would assist in the battle to take Mariupol, around 40 miles to the east. The broadcast sparked suggestions that Ukraine could use the footage to hit the vessel, and on March 24, a nearby missile battery did just that. Around 7:45 a.m., a Tochka-U ballistic missile slammed into the deck of the Saratov as it sat in port alongside two smaller vessels, the Caesar Kunikov and Novocherkassk. A large fire broke out on board the Saratov with several explosions, then heard below deck as ammunition detonated. Footage captured from the shore showed Saratov consumed by smoke as the Caesar Kunikov and Novocherkassk, having also sustained damage. Saratov sunk shortly afterwards, satellite images confirmed, blocking the port and making it unusable. Russia has not commented on the attack and has not given information on casualties. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.